Why does your scanner show the P1131 engine code? And what does it mean? The P1131 engine error code stands for the lack of upstream heated oxygen in the sensor switch. The P1131 engine error code indicates a problem with the upstream heated oxygen sensor switch, or the oxygen sensor bank 1. It can mean that the oxygen sensor has pegged lean, which could be due to some issues. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: oxygen sensor, vacuum leaks, fuel system, MAF sensor, exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. The P1131 is a manufacturer-specific engine fault code that is commonly found in Ford vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.